guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to store your foil, parchment paper, wax paper, anything that comes in those super long boxes that are really hard to store. I hope that you enjoy it, and the best part is it only cost you $2.
For this DIY, you will need a wire shower caddy from Dollar Tree, an over-the-door hook from Dollar Tree, wire cutters, and duct tape is optional. First, you're going to take your wire cutters and you're going to cut the little shelf on the topmost shelf. You just want to cut that little piece so that it makes a hole. You want to do that all the way across so that the topmost shelf is open. And you can stick a box of foil or wax paper through it. Then you're going to put your over-the-door hanger over the door of your pantry or whatever door you would like. Then hang your hanger on there that has all of your long boxes in it. And then you can add a few strips of duct tape. This is optional, but I do find that it helps it be more secure. Ta-da! And a super practical organizing solution for only $2.
I hope that you enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed already. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!